Hey everyone, Unkle Teddybear here in the background. My buddy Mike. Yes, I'm not at home today, but we're gonna do hopefully a couple of videos. Gonna start working on one right now. He's in the background getting ready. Say hi, Mike.
What's up?
And I have no idea what he wants to do. We're just gonna wing it and see what happens. Let's go. Okay, so Mikey boy just told me what we're making here, and we're making Elvis Presley's favorite sandwich. That is a fried peanut butter and banana. So, for the first time, I'm on the other side of the camera, and Mikey is there. So, get to it. I'll add commentary if needed.
Peeling the banana.
So he's peeling the banana. I don't know how many bananas he's making. Right now he has 2 bananas, margarine, peanut butter. I don't know what else goes into this thing. Kind of a bit of a warped cutting board there.
It's a very warped cutting board.
Oh, he's taking off just the tip.
Do you like lots of peanut butter or a little bit of peanut butter? Depends on your preference.
Medium amount, I guess. Not too much, but not too little. That's good for me. I take it that one's yours.
Oh, yeah. I like it though, peanut butter. Just take these jars.
So as we're doing this, Mikey has a morbid fascination or obsession with Elvis, along with a few other things.
One of the greatest musicians.
Well,
One of.
so other than the peanut butter and bananas, does anything else go into this?
Oh no, man, this is simple.
I'm just salivating at the warm peanut butter, you know that.
Oh, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be great. So give my hands a wash. See, a lot of people don't do this, but I do. I double side my peanut butter.
Well, you want everything to stick together.
You have to get everything to stick together.
Now I assume you have the frying pan heating up, or?
Oh, it's heating up right now. Then you just take your butter or margarine and you go across the top. Nice thick layer, but not too thick. Butter. Here you go, boys.
So now he's putting them into the frying pan, buttered side down. That's a bright light. There you go.
It's a bright light.
I'm going to go ahead and butter the top part. And basically, I assume you want to fry this just like a grilled cheese sandwich.
Pretty much.
Yes, make sure you have a lot of margarine or butter on the bread so you get that nice golden brown toasty look.
There you go.
So you just flip them again. You want me to back off?
Not much to them.
Right, simple as butter.
Cut.
Okay, like I said, this is my first time trying this. I'm gonna give this a go. Better not burn my tongue. Oh, that's good.
Mmm. One thing Elvis knew was food.
Joey went to the toilet. We'll just end it at that. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.